Hi, Tulsa County. Ethan Hutchins here with the Tulsa County Board of County Commissioners for this month's edition of Commissioner's Corner, and I'm joined with District 2 Commissioner Lonnie Sims.
Welcome, Ethan.
Hey, where are we today?
Hey, we're at the splash pad at Chandler Park, so I can't think of a better place to be on a hot summer morning than right here. But hey, I say we stay here all day.
We picked a great morning. We're in the shade, luckily. But yeah, like you said, all these families out here enjoying the water. This splash pad has been here for a while, and you said it's one of the biggest in the state?
Yeah, I think when they originally built this splash pad, it replaced the swimming pool that was here, but it was the largest in the state at the time. So we've had a lot of opportunity for families to get up here and really experience Chandler Park. If you've not been up here yet, you've definitely been missing out, especially with the hot, extreme temperatures we've been having. You got a great pavilion here, as you can see, that's well shaded. Nice breeze flowing through here, so it's really cool for us today. I think we've got some kids already here with parents with coffee and donuts, so good opportunity to meet your neighbor and friends and just have a really great time at Chandler Park. So appreciate you being here.
Well, we've got a lot of stuff to talk about today. There's been a lot of movement in road improvements across your district.
For sure.
Let's start with Buford Colony. It's being worked on right now. Talk about that area and the importance of trying to fix those roads.
You bet. Well, first, I'm kind of a new kid on the block, so but I come with experience. I spent 14 years as city official in Jinx, was mayor there. So the good thing is I'm pretty familiar with road work and what it takes. The biggest thing that we do in Tulsa County is we really grade these roads and try to keep track of which ones need the most attention. For whatever reason, Buford Colony has been one of those areas that, we've been committing to do it and we just haven't done it. So I'm really excited. That one I'm very proud about. Over 40 years is best we can figure since we repaved those roads. So it's really getting back in there and reclaiming ground. And we're seeing that in a lot of District 2 areas. It's reclaiming the original roadbed and repaving those areas, and just thankful to be the commissioner and have the opportunity to help and serve. Really reaching out and bringing in some partnerships with the state and grant opportunities. Anywhere I can find us some money, I'm going to do my best to do it. You see that with Swift Park. Great opportunity. Another great park, part of our parks network here at Tulsa County is Swift Park, which is just below the Keystone Dam.
Beautiful area.
A lot of people love to fish that area, but seriously, the road was so bad. I mean, you're going to have to get a realignment every time you go down it. So having the opportunity to get a what they call a lake access grant, it was over $200,000. We were able through ODOT to go down there and repave that. Give my crews and the district highway construction a lot of credit. They've been extremely busy this year. I think we're well over 10 miles of pavement that we put down this year. More than double that when it comes to ditches that we've retrenched and jetted out. We've had a lot of rains, so been kind of dodging rain clouds to get the work done, but hopefully people in the district are really seeing the progress, and I give all the credit in the world to my superintendent, Kenny O'Brien, and what you'll hear me refer to sometimes are our District 2 maintenance crews, the Mighty Ducks. And
I love that.
That kind of segues in. I know one of the questions you were going to ask me about is the status of the maintenance facility. And, coming in the first weekend, we had a winter storm, and I get out to my maintenance facility, and there's 3 inches of water standing in my superintendent's office, and really recognize that, hey, we've got to modernize these facilities. If we're going to deliver the kind of services we need to for District 2, we've really got to get our equipment and our facilities in place. More importantly, we got to protect our people. They were in some conditions that I felt weren't safe. So you will notice some construction trailers outside of that facility. That's where we office now. We had an old design for the shop area. So if we ever had a flash fire there, the offices open directly to it with no exit. So I felt like that's an unsafe condition. Really don't want to put them in that position. So we moved them out and went to work immediately trying to find a location. And there was some urgency, and I think we were willing to pay a premium for a new location for a piece of property. But as we moved through the process and just found different challenges with every area that we looked at, we really came back home to right where we're at, the location where we're at. There's an opportunity to gain some ground with OTA with the city of Tulsa. So we're working on that right now up north. That can really, I think, bridge that facility and the need to store aggregate and have a hoop house that we talk about a lot where we can keep our sand dry. And we can do that with very minimal cost to do it. So we're money ahead when it comes to building and designing the new facility. And that's where we're at right now. We have approved the design, we've approved the money to go to design.
Sure.
So we're in the process of identifying an architect right now. We're really close to signing a contract there. Once that happens, things start moving pretty quick. We'll actually get a physical design and some preliminary engineering of what the property is going to look at. At that point, we'll come out to the community and show them some of the renderings and some of the elevations of what we're looking at. I think they're going to be really proud of what we build and develop there.
The goal being to make it comparable to what District 1 and District 3 currently have.
100%. Yeah, a lot of people don't know this, but when you travel around the districts, the other two districts' maintenance facilities were replaced almost 10 years ago. Yeah. Ours was built in 1965, and it's time. The equipment was outdated as well. So I do give the budget board and my fellow commissioners a lot of credit. They recognize the need as well, and I appreciate their support to really, bring ours up to a consistent level across the districts in Tulsa County, where we're all kind of, playing on a level playing field, and let's go compete a little bit. Then along with a little competition, I think our engineer, he kind of gives me the business about the Mighty Ducks and kind of the mascot, but hey, there's nothing wrong with that, having a little competition between the districts. It's a great county. We have a great relationship with each other. So, hey, I think it just, brings that competitive spirit out in the crews. And, getting the new equipment, I've been extremely proud to see my crews, because they really felt like, hey, get us equal equipment, bring us up to a different level. We can perform as good as anybody in Tulsa County, and I think they have.
They have. I mean, we also have West 41st Street, the Highway 75 to Elwood project. They've just been so busy in your district, really working hard.
They have. They have. I mean, it's one project to another. I think it speaks to the need. There was a lot of areas that have been neglected. Buford Colony, 40 years. Yeah. To me, that's unacceptable. Really proud to put that history behind us. We're going to reclaim that road, get some good asphalt out there, and get more of a routine maintenance schedule where we don't have that happen again, where we go that long before we repave somewhere.
We started out with the Parks Department early this year trying to identify a branding campaign for all of the parks in Tulsa County, and recently we unveiled some signage here.
Yep.
A Tulsa County Park. It's on every park now in Tulsa County. Why was that so important for us to do, and how proud are you of the signage here at the front of the park?
I give Matt Hancock and the Parks team a ton of credit to recognize that, hey, let's take pride in what we do. Very proud of the products we deliver when it comes to Tulsa County, our employees, but especially these parks. They are beautiful areas. This is 200 acres out here. You have hiking, you have disc golf, you have this beautiful splash pad, a community center, just really fantastic parks for our community to get out and enjoy with one another. And that's something we miss, in this age of technology and phones. We get kind of caught up in that. It's amazing what happens when you bring your kids out to an area like it does. It kind of brings you back home to when we grew up and the way we experienced summertime. Yeah. So, I give Matt a ton of credit to recognize that a lot of people don't recognize that these are Tulsa County parks. Mm-hmm. Our citizens invest greatly in these areas. We want to make sure they get a return on that investment. And we definitely want them to know that, hey, this is where your tax dollars are going. And we're extremely proud of that. We're proud of the work we do. So we're going to brand it where every Tulsa County park when you pull in here with signage, whether it's Swift Park, whether it's Chandler, La Fortune. Yep. We've had a lot of fun going around and rededicating the signs for these parks, and just give the parks team a ton of credit. They did a great job.
Commissioner, have we missed anything that you wanted to mention? Anything you wanted to let your constituents know about?
Just to be safe this summer. It's going to be hot the next few weeks, so I highly encourage you, especially with the littles, get out here to Chandler Park, to the splash pad, do some activities that keep them cool, keep you cool as well under this nice canopy, and just to enjoy the summer. There's just a few weeks left. So enjoy every minute of it. We're grateful for you. We're grateful for everybody to come out and enjoy the parks here at Tulsa County, and just can't thank you enough, Ethan, for coming out today.
Well, thank you for being here as well. Beautiful
Appreciate
morning.
you. Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next time on Commissioner's Corner.
Thank you.